Hi everyone, Athena Zolis here from healnaturally.com.au, and today I want to talk to you about smudging. So what is smudging? Well, smudging is a smoking ceremony that is used to cleanse and purify the environment and the room of any negative energy. It originates from a very sacred Native American ceremony. And what we're using today is organic white sage that is Australian grown and made, and it is the most sacred of the herbs that is used for smudging. So here's what you do. You light the end of your smudge stick like this. And I've used a bowl of rice so that the embers don't fall on the carpet or on any soft furnishing. So you light the end of the sage stick just like this. Now, what I do is I lift the bowl up and I have the smudge stick smoking over the rice bowl just to be safe. And what you do, go all around the room, everywhere, every corner, every nook and cranny, every space, high and low, until that smoke is all over the room. Now, before you do that, you have to open all your windows. Open the curtains, roll up the blinds, and open the windows to the maximum. Once you've smoked the room, leave the room for at least half an hour after you've extinguished your smudge stick in a bowl of rice for safety. Leave the room, let the smoke leave the room, let it cleanse the room, purify the room, and let go of all of the negative energy. Where do you find the smudge stick? It's in our positive energy gift box that I've put together just for you. You'll find it on our Heal Naturally website, healnaturally.com.au. Click the link below. See you soon.